everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Math Professor. Today we are discussing a question on finding the range of a function, and the question is the range of the function f of x, where f of x is 1 over modulus sine x plus 1 over modulus cos x, and we are given with 4 options, and it is a single answer correct question. At first, this might look difficult to solve, but it's pretty easy and it can be solved, in less than 1 minute if you know the right concepts to apply. So let's get started without wasting much time. We can write the given function as y equals 1 over modulus sine x plus 1 over modulus cos x. So I have two terms, a and b. Applying the concept that the arithmetic mean of two numbers is greater than or equal to their geometric mean, we can write a plus b over 2, which is the formula for arithmetic mean of two numbers, is greater than or equal to their geometric mean, which is ab raised to the power 1 over 2. Or we can write a plus b is greater than or equal to 2 times ab square root. Replacing a and b with 1 over modulus sine x and 1 over modulus cos x, we'll get 1 over modulus sine x plus 1 over modulus cos x is greater than or equal to 2 times 1 over modulus sine x times modulus cos x raised to the power half. Or we can say that y is greater than or equal to 2 times 1 over modulus sine x times modulus cos x. And here I can bring in some of the trigo identities, that 2 sine x cos x is sine 2x. That being said, we can write sine x cos x as half sine 2x. So it will be 2 over sine 2x modulus raised to the power half, or which can be written as y greater than or equal to 2 times square root 2 times the modulus of cosec 2x square root. And we know that modulus cosec x is always greater than or equal to 1. That means the range of this function is greater than or equal to 2 square root 2. So the correct answer is A. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, you can post them in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one.